Circles. I'd like you to pause the video and draw a circle and try to write on the circle any of the dimensions you know, any special names for any of the parts of a circle. So draw a circle and name the parts on the circle. Okay, hopefully you identified correctly the parts of the circle. We have the distance around the outside of the circle called the circumference. So it's a special name for perimeter when it becomes a circle. Circumference, the distance around the circle. We call that C for short. The diameter is the distance from one side of a circle to the other side if you go through the center. You don't have to go horizontally, you can go maybe from here across, but if you go from one side to the other through the middle, through the center, that's called the diameter, or D for short. Then we have the radius, which is half the size of the diameter. It just goes from the center to the outside of the circle, to the circumference. R for short. So the length, as I said there, is that the radius is half the size of the diameter, or the diameter is 2 of the radius, 2 times the radius. So diameter equals 2 times the radius.